Good morning, class. I'm here to kind of go over quickly how to use Screencast-o-matic. And it's pretty straightforward. So the first thing is realize that you can video record yourself while you're in a Zoom meeting. In order to launch Screencast-o-matic, you're actually going to go to the bottom in the Cortana box, and you're going to start to type in Screencast-o-matic, and you're going to notice that there's an app that you can actually pop up and open up, and you're going to get this option. Okay. Um, when you go there, there's a chance that it will take you to a website for Screencast-o-matic, and you can actually launch the free recorder, which is what I'm doing right now. Now, with that free recorder, it's going to kind of have this candy caned outline of the screen, and you can actually change the outline of your screen to make it larger or smaller depending on what you want in your screen. Like if I wanted to, I could very easily have my background in there. Okay, so I could include this in my explanation, and I could actually be pointing out different locations on it while I'm talking. At the same time, if you make your settings in Zoom to be the speaker mode, then whoever in your group is talking will actually appear on the screen with whatever you're talking about. You're still going to be able to go between different screens during that Screencast-o-matic, or you could have nothing on the screen at all. Maybe you have images that you've searched up to help you explain what you're talking about. So once again, to launch this, all you're going to have to do is go down here to the Cortana box. You're going to start to type in Screencast-o-matic. When you click on Screencast-o-matic, okay, the app is going to pop up, and when you click on it, it's going to probably take you to this website. You're going to launch the free recorder. Okay. You may have to make an account, and your account would just be with your jths.org. Yours would obviously be whatever your name is, student.jths.org. And then you would be able to record this. You have 15 free minutes, and when you finish, all you have to do is end it, and then it gives you the different options. Okay. I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions, you know that you can always ask me. I'm always here to help you out. Just let me know. Thank you for your time.